massive space at the east end of the Parthenon was filled in the Hellenistic period by the Pergamene victory monuments, this sort of battlefield strewn with the bodies of the dead, making a connection with the metopes of the Gigantomachy. And then in the beginning of the Roman imperial period, Augustus comes along and sets up an altar to Roma et Augustus. And where does he put this? But right in the middle of where the Attalid battlefield lay. Rome had taken over Pergamon, Rome had taken over Athens, and his temple made a visual statement about that.